Hey there and welcome to our channel Techies Guru. In today's tutorial, we are going to show you how to log in to Jenkins, a popular automation server for all your development needs. It's a straightforward process and we will walk you through it step by step. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer. In the address bar, type the URL of Jenkins servers. Jenkins login. Enter. There you can see login Jenkins. Click on it. You'll be taken to the Jenkins login page. To log in, you will need to enter your username and password. These are the credentials provided by your Jenkins administrator. Once you have entered your credentials, click the login button and you will be granted access to a Jenkins dashboard. And that's it, you have successfully logged into Jenkins, where you can manage your automation and development tasks. It's an essential tool for many developers and IT professionals. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.